Do you have an error preventing the ODBC Conf Library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. While preparing the manual steps for ODBC Conf Library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the ODBC Conf Library, the ODBC Configuration Tool library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of DSN, data source name, creation, and ODBC driver registration. It facilitates the data link between the user and the system database configuration manifests. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This error points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows system binaries. I recommend running SFC Scan now from an administrator command prompt to verify the integrity of protected files like ODBC Conf Library DLL and restore stability. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the ODBC Conf library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Using an incorrect or outdated version of ODBC Conf Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're addressing ODBC Conf library inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for ODBC Conf library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support